Americans will soon be able to sample chicken that has been grown from chicken cells, saving them from having to kill real chickens. Upside Foods and Good Meat have received approval from the USDA to begin manufacturing and retailing their chicken products cultivated in the lab within the United States. Customers shouldn't anticipate finding these products in supermarkets right away, though. Cell-based beef may show up on restaurant menus sooner rather than in retail stores, but it will take some time. Called also cultivated or cell-based meat, lab-grown meat is produced by feeding animal cells growing in giant bioreactors with nutrients like amino acids. Instead of looking into petri dishes, the production process is more like a brewery than a typical lab, with personnel in white coats handling enormous vats. Once the meat is ready, it is harvested from the bioreactors and processed. Good Meat's product, when extracted, looks similar to minced chicken, according to Andrew Noyes, head of global communications at Eat Just, Good Meat's parent company. Upside Foods utilizes cells from fertilized chicken eggs, which can be stored in their cell bank for over a decade. Animal cells can also be sourced from biopsies or feathers. Cultivating meat from cells offers the advantage of producing meat without animal slaughter. This method could significantly reduce the environmental impact of meat production, which is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Although the energy required to produce cell-based meat is high, it can be mitigated by the reduction in land and water use, as well as the possible advantages of renewable energy. Cultivated meat is not vegetarian despite its benefits because it comes from animal cells. It is, nevertheless, less likely to contain germs such as Salmonella and E. coli, which could make it a safer choice for meat eaters who are worried about contracting foodborne illnesses. Tests of taste reveal that farmed meat is quite similar to conventional beef. The chicken from Upside Foods tasted just like regular chicken, according to a CNET reporter who tried it. Positive comments have also been made about Good Meat's offerings. The U.S. industry that deals with farmed meat is governed by the USDA and FDA. Good Meat and Upside Foods were just given the go-ahead for their manufacture and labeling. For other cultivated meats, such as beef and pork, further regulatory procedures are necessary. Although no precise launch dates have been disclosed, Good Meat and Upside Foods want to present their products at Barcren in San Francisco and a restaurant in Washington, D.C. respectively, in collaboration with chef Jose Andres. While the initial products will be more expensive than regular beef, both companies hope to eventually reach price parity.